Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. I am from Helping Mind. In Android Nougat version we can modify sound quality and add effect. Now I will show you how to get fine tune and improve sound quality and effect on Samsung Galaxy phone. Keep watching. At first I will go to my phone settings. I tap on gear icon, settings. Now I tap on sound and vibration, and here I will scroll and I will tap on sound quality and effects. Customize your sound setting and effects. I tap on sound quality and effects. Here we can see Equalizer. I tap on it. You can see normal, pop, classic, jazz, rock and customs. Here we can select a mode under Equalizer. Now we can see two cycle, bass, treble, instrument and vocal. We can change the value by dragging the blue cycle, and you can see now I tap on advanced and it changed basic. We can also change basic mode by dragging the cycle up and down. You can see here we can see concert hall. Also enable, we can also enable or disable it by tapping on toggle. Here we can see adapt sound. Some sound effect can only be used when headphones are compatible, Bluetooth handsets are connected. Sound effects are not supported by some sound source. Now I will tap on adapt sound. Here we can see find the best sound for you and use it for calls, music and video. Presets, we can see 3 different presets, and we can also personalized sound. We can enable or disable it, and we can see preview. I disable the personalized sound. I tap on back and go to main sound quality and effect. So viewers, hope this video will help you to improve your sound quality on your Samsung Galaxy Android phone in Android version. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends and be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.